Welcome to our channel. Last-minute travel can be spontaneous and affordable if you know where to look. Step 1. Download apps specialized in last-minute deals and flash sales. Many offer exclusive discounts for immediate bookings. Step 2. Be flexible with your destination. Consider multiple options and let deals guide your choice. Step 3. Check airline websites directly for unsold seat sales that often appear within 2 weeks of departure. Step 4. Look for package deals that combine flights and hotels, which often offer better value. Step 5. Join loyalty programs and use accumulated points for last-minute redemptions. Step 6. Consider traveling on weekdays or red-eye flights for better availability and prices. Step 7. Contact hotels directly to negotiate rates, especially for same-day bookings. Step 8. Check social media for flash sales announced by airlines and travel companies. Step 9. Have your travel documents and payment ready to book quickly when you find a deal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.